Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best iPhone camera lenses for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Olloclip CORE Lens Kit. Olloclip makes lenses to fit every model of iPhone, and while some are interchangeable, others are made specifically for certain models. The CORE Lens Set pictured is designed for the iPhone 7/7 Plus and iPhone 8/8 Plus and includes a fisheye, super wide, and 15x macro lens. Lenses are created using multi-element coated glass, and the interchangeable lens mounting system makes it quick and easy to change between different lenses so that you never miss a shot. Olloclip lenses can be used with both the front and rear-facing cameras on your iPhone, so you can capture the perfect landscape shot and the perfect selfie, all in a single easy-to-use kit. The only downside to the Olloclip system is that you can't use it with every phone case. You will either need to purchase a compatible Olloclip case or use the Olloclip lenses without a case. At number 4, Moment Macro Lens. When shooting objects that are very close up, the image quality becomes more important than ever. Because Moment lenses use cinema-quality glass, you can pretty much guarantee that photos will be incredibly crisp, even on the edges. The 10x Moment Macro Lens, for example, expertly magnifies your subject with no distortion. Because Moment lenses require you to purchase a dedicated case, it makes sense to stick with the same brand for multiple lenses. Macro photography is incredibly fun with an iPhone, and adding a dedicated lens drastically improves the quality of your shot. Plus, all Moment lenses come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're going to splurge on one lens for your iPhone photography kit, this is the one we'd recommend. At number 3, Moment Wide Lens for iPhone. The Moment Wide Lens is one of the most popular iPhone lenses on the market, and it's perfect for wide-angle photography, be it shooting architectural details indoors or incredible outdoor landscapes. The Moment Wide 18mm lens comes in a multi-element glass design that captures 2 times more of your image with superb clarity throughout. Moment lenses easily attach using custom Moment cases, which will vary depending on the iPhone model you're using, and all Moment lenses come with a lifetime. This wide is part of our M-series lenses that is compatible with the latest iPhone, Pixel, Galaxy, and OnePlus phones. One thing that makes Moment lenses unique is the detail we put into the metal body of the lens and the interface on the bottom. Designed by cinema optics engineers with over 20 years of experience making high-end cinema lenses. Carefully crafted coatings, and hand-finished glass from our precision factory in Korea. We want this lens to take your footage to the next level. Our designs are optimized for performance on a phone. At number 2, Moment 14mm Fisheye Lens for iPhone. If you've ever used a fisheye lens before, you know that it's a super wide-angle lens that distorts a photo to look spherical. Fisheye lenses are great for landscapes and extreme sports. You can also use them for adding an artistic element to photos. The Moment 14mm fisheye lens takes excellent 170-degree shots with no dark corners or vignetting. As with all Moment lenses, you'll need to purchase a Moment phone case with a mounting system for the lens. This is a great lens for photographers looking to expand their horizons and get creative with new angles. Finally at number 1, Moment Tele 58mm, best telephoto lens for iPhone. When it comes to buying a top-quality lens for your iPhone, you can't beat Moment lenses. They are made from the highest quality coated and hand-polished glass, plus aerospace-grade metal. The Moment telephoto lens is equivalent to a 58mm lens if you are using a single lens phone. If you are using a phone that has a dedicated telephoto camera, the Moment lens will be equivalent to a 115mm lens. This professional quality lens creates photos that are crisp from edge to edge with no distortion, and all Moment lenses come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. While all moment lenses work with multiple phone models, you'll need to purchase a dedicated moment case for your phone before attaching the lens. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.